So hey there everybody, I'm starting up a new small series between azdrone.net and our YouTube channel, which is where you probably are right now. And this isn't about how to set up your controllers for your drones or your drone flight or capturing data. I wanted to start talking to our potential customers, and I also wanted to share with other drone operators the kind of things we've been doing and what I've been thinking about as far as where we can take things next with clients. And so we've done a lot of construction progression reporting. We've done a lot of raw land sites, some single residential, all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to dial this back to help you think about where you can be in your drone business, let's say in the next 6 months to a year. So today we're going to start in about commercial lenders. And so this message is also to commercial lenders. So why commercial lenders should be using drones to monitor construction projects. You know, immediately you think, okay, pretty pictures and things, but there's a lot to it. There's a lot that we offer commercial lenders who are backing larger projects. So in the world of commercial lending, information is everything, especially when you're financing construction projects. Ensuring that funds are being used appropriately, that the work is progressing on schedule, and that the value of the collateral is increasing as expected. These are all vital concerns. And this is where drone technology is making an impact. So why use drones for all these different types of construction projects? And specifically for those investors out there who want to get behind projects. Well, drones provide a fast, cost-effective, and accurate way to visually document the progress of a construction project. Unlike static ground-level photos, drone flights offer a comprehensive aerial view, capturing every angle and phase of the development from above. By the way, those ground photos still have value too, so don't throw them away. So the key benefits for lenders: they get verified progress, high resolution aerial images, 3D site models, video. These all give lenders a real-time visual check on what's actually happening on site, reducing reliance on third-party updates and slow reporting cycles. Risk mitigation. Regular drone reporting can flag issues early, such as stalled progress, safety concerns, or unauthorized changes, allowing lenders to respond before small drone problems turn into costly delays. Also, documentation and transparency. Drones create a verifiable digital record that supports loan draws, inspections, and audits while improving communication between the lenders, the borrowers, and the contractors. Finally, times and cost savings. Drone operators can survey large sites quickly with minimal disruption, providing for more detailed information than traditional site visits, and often these are at a much lower cost. So the bottom line, drone reporting empowers commercial lenders with the oversight they need to make smart decisions, reduce risk, and ensure their investments are protected throughout the construction lifecycle. So the bottom line, drone reporting empowers commercial lenders with the oversight they need to make smart decisions, reduce risk, and ensure their investments are protected throughout the construction lifecycle. If you're financing construction projects and you're not using drone technology yet, it might be time to reconsider. I have had multiple clients over the years tell me that they needed drone images and video as it was a request of the investment bankers involved in the project. So there you go. It's already being picked up in some locations, but in other locations, maybe this is something to think about if you're doing commercial lending for larger scale projects and you need to be sure of what's going on the ground and in the air.